Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix Snapchat video sound not working. First of all, you can go to the iPhone home settings, and after going to the settings, you can now just simply scroll down, and here you can now tap on apps at the very last, and you can now search Snapchat, and after searching the Snapchat you can just simply see the option microphone. Make sure that you enable this option. After enabling this, the issue is solved, and the issue is not solved, you can go to the App Store or Play Store and update it the latest version of Snapchat. After updating, you can just simply restart your mobile phone, and it is the way you can solve your video sound not working on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.